Today we are making lemon poppy seed energy balls. So this recipe can be made completely in a food processor. I just have a mini food processor and it all doesn't fit for me. So I'm just gonna take it step by step. First, you need 1.5 cups of oats. I'm using old-fashioned oats and we're going to grind those up into a flour. You can use either old-fashioned oats or quick oats. Quick oats will just be quicker to absorb any moisture in the mixture, whereas old-fashioned oats will take a little bit longer. But once you have your oats ground up, I'm going to dump mine into a bowl. Like I said, I don't have enough room, but if you have a normal sized food processor, to your ground oats, you can add a 1/2 cup of raw cashews, and we're going to pulse these until they're finely chopped. I'm going to add that in with my ground oats. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cashew butter. Now, cashew butter is kind of expensive. Like a normal size jar of cashew butter, just like a normal size peanut butter jar, was $14 for me, so you can always try almond butter. Then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we need the zest of 1 lemon. Make sure you get all the bright yellow part off, and then when you're zesting your lemon, once you get to the white part, stop, because that part is bitter. Then we need the juice of 1 lemon. Remember to zest your lemon before you juice it. It's pretty hard to zest a lemon after you juice it. I know, I've been there. Then give it all a mix. Again, this would be super quick and easy in a food processor, but you can still do it by hand. Make sure you get it all mixed together really well if you are doing it by hand. And once it starts to come together into a nice big ball, you can pause, and we're going to add 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds, along with a pinch of salt. I recommend adding a pinch of salt before you start mixing, so when you initially put together your oats and cashews and almond butter and vanilla and maple syrup, but in a pinch, the pinch of salt can be added here. Then give that a good mix. Now, at my grocery store, my poppy seeds, I found my poppy seeds in the Mexican aisle, in the same section as the spices that are there. So I don't know where you might find your poppy seeds. But again, once your mixture comes together into a ball, now it's time to make a whole bunch of smaller balls. So the recipe says to form our mixture into 2 tablespoon sized balls, and that this would yield about a dozen. I'm using a number 50 cookie scoop, which is about 1.5 tablespoons. So just take your mixture and press it together in your hand until you form a nice little ball, and then just keep doing that for the rest of the mixture. Now, these are a great quick little snack or a lightly sweet treat. They are subtly sweet. They're not dessert sweet. If you want them sweeter, think more along the lines of a lemon poppy seed muffin. I would add an extra tablespoon, maybe 2 of maple syrup, but I like that these satisfy a sweet tooth but still have a good amount of nutrients in them. And I ended up getting 17 little energy balls out of my recipe. Now, I've made chocolate chip energy balls, and when I made them with whole oats, I was not able to roll them like I am here, but these, I realized on the last one that I can roll them between my palms and give me a nice round ball shape. But there you have it. Super quick, super easy, and these had so much lemon zesty flavor. Now for these, you have to use real lemon. There is no substitute for lemon zest. That lemon oil in the skin of your lemon is where you get that nice, sharp, tangy, zesty lemon flavor. I will leave the link to the original recipe down below, along with the ingredients and instructions. If you guys liked this recipe and would like to try out the chocolate chip energy ball recipe, click here on screen and I will see you guys there.